We don't know how many forces are acting on a body. If all the forces are equal in all direction, then we can say that the body is balanced, and the force is known as a balanced force. Means that is the resultant force all over on the body is always be the zero. If the all the forces are not equal, in a particular direction more force is applied, then the body moves in that particular direction. That force is not the balanced force. That force we call the unbalanced forces. And condition for the unbalanced forces, that resultant force is not equal to zero. If the body is move in a particular direction, then how we can say that the body is balanced? No, the forces acting on the body are not balanced. If the body is move in this direction, then the force that is act on in that direction is more other than the forces that are acting on the other direction. So